Ustream. And when you get to the website, just look up Mustang 131 Radio.
How about that, 51? The T-Bird,
Hey, Roger, right on. You have yourself a...
Hello, my friend T-Bird, 51 Virginia. We're sitting here listening. Hey, T-Bird, here's you shouting. Good evening time, Mr. T-Bird, 51 Virginia, Back New Radio.
Here's what I do. I transform all my videos. I bring them from the Ustream, and I bring them to YouTube because not many people know about Ustream.
Hey, T-Bird, you have a fine evening out there. Appreciate you giving me a shout. Hey, 919, here's you in there also, my friend. Top of the evening, T-Bird, and hello, my longtime friend, 919, 51, waving right back.
But hey, it ain't much of a delay. It's only a couple seconds, but that gives you a good idea.
Hey, 919, I heard you shout. I got that 131 Mustang radio. Boy, he got a big hammer in here. But I did hear you in there with him. 919, good evening to you. T-Bird, you still got a grip. Appreciate that shout. 51 Virginia, we're listening to it.
Ethan's Jack and look at the Booker Inc. The video shows in our live stream, man. I think you know what you're going to be doing. Come on.
Blasting on through. I'll catch you later, 51. Appreciate it.
Hey, 919, always a pleasure, my friend. Hope you're having a great evening out there around Cali and a big old week coming up. 51 around his old Virginia line. 919, talk to you a little dab later. 51 back listening.
The little plate modulator radios, man, they got some good audio to them, man. That's for darn sure. You know, the Brownings, the Trams, you know, the old Johnson Viking Rangers, man. So I got a frame, man, for the 50s. I got some good audio, man. There's no bad about it. But you know what it is? Galaxies are just as loud, man. That's what's wrong with a Galaxy. They got your audio smoking on those things. You know, they sound good and everything is loud, but they just ain't got the bandwidth. You know, it's just too narrow. I don't know. We got a whole bunch of them. Earlier today, we had a whole bunch of them. Hi-Fi radio out here.
Good evening out there, Cripple Lizard, 51 Virginia. You're at Tijuana Mama, 51 Virginia. Oh, Tijuana Mama, 51 Virginia, with a quick hello.
Where's the bum who's stupid enough to step into a